Chapter 1. Jobs. Some jobs are inside. These people are working in an office. They are using telephones and computers. Some jobs are outside. These people are making a new road. They have orange clothes so other people can see them. Some people work in the same place every day. Some people go to lots of places. Flight attendants work on planes. They help the passengers. Flight attendants wear a uniform so passengers can find them. Firefighters wear a uniform to protect their body. They can go into very, very hot buildings. Chapter 2. In the City. Cities are big and busy. Lots of people work in cities. People work in stores, parks, and libraries. Chefs work in restaurants. They cook the food. Many tourists go to cities. Tour guides work with tourists. They help tourists to learn about a city. When you are in a city, how can you go from a park to a library? Maybe you take a bus or a train. Bus drivers and train drivers are doing a job. In cities, there are lots of jobs for drivers. Chapter 3. In the Countryside. In the countryside, many jobs are outside. Farmers work in the countryside. Some farmers keep animals, and some farmers grow crops. Rice, bananas, and olives are crops. Some farmers sell their animals or crops at a market. Some farmers sell their animals or crops to a store. That's how farmers make money. Some people catch fish and sell them. They go in boats to catch fish from the ocean. Miners work in mines under the ground. Their job is to find coal, metal, or other things. Some gold mines are more than 3 kilometers under the ground. Chapter 4. Making things. What other jobs are there? Lots of people make things. People use their hands to make some things. This man is making a pot. Many people work in factories. They use machines to make things. This woman is making ice creams. Some people make new homes, offices, and other buildings. They make the walls and the roof. Then they put in the doors and windows. It takes a long time to make a building. Some people make machines. They make the machines in planes, trains, cameras, cell phones, and lots of other things. Chapter 5. Helping People. We can help people at home. Parents help children, and young people help old people. These are jobs, but they are not for money. Some people help lots of people. Doctors and nurses help sick people. Teachers help children at school. Doctors, nurses, and teachers help us all. What do police officers do? Police officers help people. Firefighters and ambulance workers help people too. They all help people who are scared or sick or in danger. These workers can be in danger when they do their job. In Venice, in Italy, there are no roads. The firefighters go in boats. Chapter 6. Jobs with Animals. Lots of people work with animals. Vets help sick animals. Some vets work on farms, and some vets work in zoos. Some vets work in animal parks. They help wild animals. These vets are helping pandas in an animal park. Some people help animals in danger. These people are washing a pelican. The pelican has oil on its body. The oil comes from a ship. Some people teach animals to do jobs. They teach guide dogs to help people who can't see. The dogs help the people on busy roads. Chapter 7. Jobs at night. You sleep at night, but some people do jobs at night. Many doctors and nurses work at night. Some stores and factories are open all night, so people have to work there. In the day, people buy lots of food from stores. At night, store workers put more food in the stores. These railway workers are working on train tracks. They work at night because there are no trains. It's too busy in the day. Cities are busy at night. People go out to meet friends or to see a movie. When they go home, they can take a taxi. Taxi drivers are busy at night. Chapter 8. More jobs. Do you like singing or dancing? Do you play music or do you play soccer? You can do these things at school or in your free time. Some people do these things for a job. That's how they make money. These soccer players are working. These musicians are working. They are playing instruments. People pay money to watch the musicians. These people are making a movie. The actors act in the movie. The camera operator uses the camera. The director tells them what to do. There are so many jobs. What job do you want to do?